It goes beyond. I heard you say the word immature. I'm not sure it's so much that, as much as it is the relationships in the legislature now transient, as opposed to before when you didn't have term limitations, you had people who didn't know how long people were going to be around.
That's a really good point.
But they knew that they would likely be around. So you treated people like people and you respected them as leaders. We've been talking for years about people becoming speaker, the future speaker of the House, before they even set foot on the floor of the legislature or before they had one vote. We've talked about that, and and it got kind of cute. The Republicans have such a great bench; they can do that. But I think you mentioned Matt Gaetz' tweet. I mean, if you were sort of okay with or just neutral about what the House did in leaving early, the Matt Gaetz text really might take you the whole other way, right? It's deeper than that, though, right? I mean, let's talk about exactly what the tweet was, right? It was the
It had racial overtones.
It did, and
it had racial overtones.
The writ looks like it was written by Senator Arthenia Joyner and proofread by Senator Bullard. Now, you're talking about a lawyer who used to be president of the American Bar Association. I mean, you're talking about a decorated lawyer who that's an insult, and you're talking about a high school teacher.